Hi friends, welcome to my channel Plants and Birds. I am Yashwant, pursuing BSc Hons Horticulture degree in Karnataka. Friends, the main objective to start this channel is to give better and relevant information about horticulture crops. Friends, now let us gain some basic knowledge about horticulture. As we know that horticulture is a branch of agriculture. Okay. Next, the word horticulture is derived from two Latin words, that is hortus and cultura, means garden cultivation. If you see the garden, cultivation is done in a protected manner. Therefore, horticulture crops are also be grown in protected conditions only. Okay, there are some branches in horticulture. They are pomology, olericulture, floriculture, arboriculture, plantation crops, spices and condiments, medicinal and aromatic plants. Now let us know about the pomology. Here, pomology is the word derived from Latin and a Greek word. Latin word is pomus and Greek word is logos. Here, Latin word pomum means fruit and Greek word logos means to study. To study about the fruit cultivation, it is a main thing, that is fruit cultivation or fruit culture. The branch of horticulture concerned with production, harvesting, processing, preservation, storage and marketing of fruits and nuts. Okay, some are, if you know that the cashew nut have both fruit and nut, so that it will come under the fruits. Okay, fruits are of different types: succulent and juicy type. Here as you know that grapes, oranges, mango, pineapple come under the succulent and juicy, as they are juicy in nature. Okay, and hardy and dry type. Here walnut and cashew nut are dry and hard. They are dried and hard. They does not contain any water content, but it in a some extent only. Next branch is olericulture. Here olericulture is a word derived from two Latin words, that is oleris and cultura. Here oleris means pot herb and cultura means cultivation. That means pot herb cultivation, that is nothing but vegetable science, that is vegetable cultivation. Okay, here vegetable culture is divided into four different branches, that is fruity vegetables like tomato, brinjal, cucurbits, gourds, and leafy vegetables amaranth, spinach, fenugreek, okay, palak come under the leafy vegetables, and tuber vegetables like potato, carrot and beetroot, and poddy vegetables like beans and peas. Next is floriculture. Floriculture is nothing but the science and practicing of growing, handling, storing, processing and marketing of flowers. Okay, it is a commercial cultivation of flowering plants for economical important flowers. Okay, that is growing of jasmines, rose, chrysanthemum and marigold come under the floriculture. Only, and we can grow tulip, carnation, orchid, anthurium also can be grown. Arboriculture. Here arboriculture is nothing but cultivation, management and study of individual trees and shrubs. It is mainly growing of trees for shady purpose, okay, in gardens and roadside. Okay. Plantation crops. Plantation crops are woody perennial crops. That means they must be grown more than 1 year to get a product from plantation crop. Okay, and are cultivated extensively and managed by individual or a company. They are not cultivated in a small areas because they don't get any sufficient income from in a small land, so that they are cultivated in a large contiguous area and managed by, if a area a person can be if we think it can be managed, then an individual is enough. But if the large area is large, then a company must be involved, and whose products are usually consumed only after processing. The what the products we get from the plantation crops, they must be processed and then consumed, then only consumed. Example, coconut, areca nut, cashew nut, oil palm, tea and coffee, etc. Here rubber also come under the plantation crops. Spices and condiments. Here spices, these are the plant parts or products used as food additives. Here food additives means that nothing but which add aroma and flavor to the food. Okay. Spices act as antioxidant and spices have an antimicrobial property. Okay. Example, cloves, cardamom, black pepper, ginger also come under the spices. What are condiments then? Condiments are nothing but plant products used only for add taste to the food. They only add taste to the food. That you know. They enhance color, they enhance flavor, but does not add flavor to the food. They enhance flavor. Example, onion, red chili, mustard and ketchup, etc. Medicinal and aromatic plants. Here medicinal plants means if the plant has secondary metabolites which leads them to medicinal to have medicinal properties. Example, neem, aloe vera, tulsi, periwinkle, come under the medicinal plants. And next, aromatic plants. That means nothing but which give a aroma when we smell or and use it to enhance the aroma in the places. Okay. Example, celery, davana, Indian basil. Okay. Indian basil is nothing but tulsi, lemongrass, palm rose oil grass. Okay. All come under the aromatic plants. Friends, I think this channel is also helpful for competitive examination and rooftop gardeners. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get better and useful relevant information about the horticulture crops. Thank you friends.